Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the cabin filter in a Mk2 Skoda Octavia. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, the cabin filter in this car is all the way down there behind the glove box. To access the filter, we have to first look up here underneath the glove box where we see this large piece of grey foam. Can you see that? This foam has to be removed. Now the foam is held in place by two plastic thumb screws. One of those screws is just up there. There it is. And the second thumb screw is there. So let's remove those thumb screws, which should be easy enough. Here it comes, twisty, twisty, and out it comes. And so that we don't lose it, we'll just pop that down there in the door card. And now we'll remove the other screw, just like so, which can also now live down here in the door card with his brother. And now those screws are out of the way, this grey foam can be peeled back from its front edge, just like so, and removed. There it is. And we can store this foam on the front seat in the orientation it was removed, so we know which way to reinstall it in due course. Now the foam's been removed, we can see this black plastic cover that starts here and runs all the way down to there. So it's long and thin. This also has to be removed. And to do that, simply grab this plastic lug there and slide it that way. And out it comes. Now this cover is a little bit dirty, and we don't want that dirt getting on the new filter, so let's just give it a bit of a clean. There we go. That will do nicely. Now the black cover's been removed, we can see this white thing, which is the filter itself, and to remove that, we simply pull it down gently like so. But as we do so, let's pay attention to how it's orientated, because we'll need to replicate that when we install the new filter. So, for example, we can see that this cutout section is over here in the top left-hand corner as we look at it. So there's the old cabin filter, which as we can see is grey and full of dirt and well in need of replacing. And it's quite a contrast to the nice new clean one adjacent, which by the way is a Bosch M2097. Now, before installing the new filter, it's worth removing any dirt from around and inside the filter housing. So let's have a go at that. And this one actually looks pretty clean, but nonetheless we'll give it a go and make it even cleaner. There we go. Okay, let's now slide the new filter into the filter housing. And remember that from our perspective, this cutout section goes top left. So this may be a little bit fiddly, but if we're patient and just feed it in gently, all will be well. In you go now. Come on. There's no point fighting. We're going to win in the end. There we are. That looks about right. Now, to reinstall the black plastic cover, we need to note first that it incorporates 6 black plastic hooks. There are 2 down here at this end, 2 are roughly in the middle, and just for luck, a couple down here as well. Well, those 6 hooks have to line up with 6 corresponding cutouts in the filter. So there's 2 of them, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's line up the hooks with these slots, like so, and then push the cover up as far as it will go, like that, and then slide it that way to lock it in position. There we are, that is fine. We now need to reinstall the foam, and of course we know which way round it's supposed to be orientated because we left it in that position on the seat. Now this can be a bit of a faff, but eventually with a little bit of patience and a little bit of jiggery pokery, the foam will be properly reinstalled. Right, so push that corner there, that's fine. And that bit, oh, get that round the hoop, that's it, yep, okay, that's about right. Right, screws. And that is how to replace the cabin filter in a Skoda Octavia Mk2. It's good for your back. Anyway, that's it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.